Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on login alerts on Facebook. First of all, go on the three dots icon on the right upper side and then scroll down for settings. Then you need to choose the password and security on the account section, and then you should scroll down and find for settings app extra security, find for the first section for get alerts about unrecognized logins. Now as you can see here, both are off. You need to make it the first one on. Go on notifications and then you should go on get notifications, and you need to choose the save button, and actually they will be asking you for the password on your Facebook account. You should here add your password, and after that everything's done. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.